2011 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, power windows, CD player, electronic stability control, bucket seats, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, steel wheels, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set, front wheel independent suspension. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.